In the heart of India, where precision meets passion, a legacy roars to life. Welcome to KnK Karts Private Limited. Proudly Indian, proudly different. For 26 years, KnK Karts has stood apart, not just as a manufacturer, but as a movement. A company that believes greatness lies in the details. Every bend, every weld, every bolt, meticulously crafted to perfection. From the drawing board to the racetrack, our karts are born from relentless innovation. With over 25 distinct models, we cater to every requirement. From track owners seeking reliability to elite racers chasing milliseconds. Style isn't an afterthought, it's a statement. Our designs are bold, collaborative, and unmistakably KnK. Because performance should look as good as it feels. Technology drives us forward. Our karts are equipped with cutting-edge systems, built to thrill and engineered to endure. Every model reflects our commitment to staying ahead of the curve. And while we race toward the future, we never forget our responsibility. KnK Karts is proud to champion environment-friendly practices, because speed should never come at the cost of sustainability. Each kart that leaves our workshop carries the soul of our team, a promise of quality, safety, and excitement. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional racer, KnK delivers the ride of your life. From local tracks to international circuits, KnK Karts has earned its stripes. Trusted by champions, loved by enthusiasts, and respected by industry leaders.